Hey, what's up everybody around the world? Welcome back to another tutorial in Revit Global Knowledge. Today I'm going to share with you three different types of ceiling design in Revit. So obviously I got a lot of requesting from my subscriber and from my Facebook page about ceiling in Revit. Then I thought why not I make this tutorial about ceiling design and list out all the different types and give you guys a quick way to create that and make your project school or your project to presentation to your client about ceiling design easier. I think today we're going to create a tutorial about ceiling design, and before I get things started I would like to ask you, and this is your first time reaching out to my channel or visiting to my channel and you want to learn more about Revit, make sure hit subscribe button below and click the bell icon for turn all for notification if you don't want to miss out my future tutorial. Okay, so now it's pretty much for introduction for our ceiling. Let's speak into our project together. Okay, so here we are in Revit Architecture template in a 3D default. So what I'm going to do in order to make our ceiling design, first thing I will be make the common ceiling first. I will create those flat ceiling, grill ceiling and fair ceiling for the first type. So now let's straight away and create together. Okay, here as you can see I am on 3D interface, so I will start from top here and go to our architecture on toolbar there, then go to our ceiling to create our ceiling, and of course I will prefer using for sketch ceiling and simply using for rectangle for draw a flat ceiling. Basic command for our ceiling there like this, hit escape, then I can adjustment my ceiling side there. I will make it for 4 meter and make our length, just make it for 12 meter, hit escape a couple of times as you can see here, then I can hit finish. And if I take a look on my property panel, here is high offset from level 1 and here is the indicate level from FFL to our ceiling bottom ceiling level here. As you can see here, Revit will be got some review for you also here. Okay, so here I will offset for our height is 2.6 meter. Depend on your project and depend on your ceiling height that you want to apply into your project side. Basically you can adjustment whatever you want for FFL until your bottom or ceiling, but I prefer using 2.6 meter first for the first round there, then I can hit finish. As you can see here, now we got our split ceiling already. It's just a common sense for our ceiling. Then we continue to get our grilling, ceiling grill. I can copy this guy over there and just copy it like this, and I can take a look on my property panel again. Then we just drop down, we got many things to play around with that. Okay, here is a standard of our grill ceiling. Either you want 600 by 600 or 600 by 1.2 meter. It depends on what ceiling that you want to apply into your project. Let's say I will using for 600 by 12 by 1.2 meter. As you can see here, here is our gray ceiling. Remember that our gray ceiling we can adjustment. I can select my gray ceiling like this, then I can drag it up out like this. As you can see here, that's how you can adjustment and make your ceiling properly. The reason we need to adjustment because when our reality construction side we need to adjustment that in order to make our technical ceiling easier to installation and give a correct instruction when they start installation. Okay, here is just I give you a quick tip. As you can see here, we can adjustment here. Either I can drag out until outside here like this. As you can see here, now for the gap between here and here is balanced already. That's how you can create your clear ceiling is more effectively to apply your interior project basically. Okay, so let's continue to another one. Is a more common sense on condominium or hotel. They are using a lot for those kind of ceiling. Let's copy to our first one is our flat one. I will simply start from top again, then CO for copy, for shortcut key, then I just make it like this. Then again I'm going to our architecture modify and ceiling, copy to clipboard, and I will paste it to align to same level, and I will edit our boundary over there. Then use our rectangle tool again, then I will offset it for, let's say we offset this one for 300 millimeter. Then I can draw it up again, hit a space key on your keyboard to reposition your wall boundary, your ceiling boundary. Hit escape a couple times, as you can see here. Then I can finish. Once I done that, I can start from front view over there. Then I can move it down. Let's say we move it for 300 millimeter, as you can see here. And of course there you can run in your LED there, and there you can add in your wall also basically, or you want to add your ceiling also can, but we will explore from our wall to our dim sum wall ceiling to cover there. I will give you a quick tip. First thing, I'm going to our wall command there, or WA for shortcut key. Then I will adjustment it, just make it for 300 millimeter, and for here I'm going to make it for coast area. Then I will make it for 300 millimeter, and this one I'm going to make it 0. Then I can, now it's time to place our wall here. Of course we need to adjustment also, because basically our basic board is 200 and I want 60 millimeter only. I'm going to adjustment it, just make it for 60 millimeter like this. Go to our edit construction, edit structure, then I will offset for our thickness. We edit it, make it for 600 millimeter. Hit OK, hit OK again. Then I'm going to pick here. We just simply pick here. Don't worry about that, later on we can move it up. The last guy there. Okay, hit escape a couple times. Then I can select all of them like this, hit a tab key, then select all of them. Start from front view, then I'm going to move it, move for move, sorry. Then I can move it up. Make it like this. Okay, as you can see here, here is the most common ceiling that we create a lot on your project or my project. Okay, so now let's speak into another type of our ceiling. Is we transfer from our rule glacis to our ceiling model. Let's speak into another option. Okay, first thing, I'm going to create our rules by glacis first and transfer our mullion to our ceiling model. I will start from our top view again. Mostly we are using those kind of ceiling is in coffee shop actually. Then I can go to my architecture tab, then go to our rules by footprint. Then I can just indicate for level 2, hit yes. Then we just drop down finding our slope glacis, and I can edit type. Of course I don't want to effective with my previous tutorial, so I'm going to duplicate it, and I will make it for, let's say we make it for slope glacis 2. Then I can adjustment here, make our foot distance to 400 millimeter, and another grade 2 is a horizontal foot distance also 400 millimeter, and our grill mullion there I will make it for 50 by 150 for rectangle mullion. Then I can copy and just pass here. Okay, once we done that, I can hit OK. Now we can draw already. I will start for rectangle and just simply start same as before, sorry, like this. And we need to adjustment our slope glacis also. I'm going to make it for define slope, then I can move it out. Just move it to outside like this, hit escape a couple times, then I can hit finish. So far will be generating. Okay, as you can see here, then here you can hide your glass also. SA for select all. Then I'm going to our property, change from system panel glass to our empty here, as you can see here. It's quite realistic, and of course you can changing for realistic color also. Material, let me select only my mullion first. Just like one of them, then you can go to edit type over there. Then you can take a look on your material type, and of course you can edit for thickness and dimension also, either what you want into your project. For me, I want to make it for 100 for thickness, and make our dimension there, just make it for 10 by 10. Then I can apply. then I can okay, as you can see here. Then another one, I can rotation my molding for my ceiling also, just like all of them, like all system like this. Then I will copy that, just simply copy that. I will copy to another side beside there. Okay, so I will make it for rotation angle for 45 degree, and rotation another one is 45 degree also. We just rotate here. Hit apply. Okay, as you can see here. Now I got two different options for my ceiling, and the last one is I will transfer from our curtain panel to our curtain panel family, and for those family is my previous tutorial. If you want to know how to create those family, you can take a look on my tutorial. I will put link in the description, or you can take it out for my end card over there. Let's start from our top view there. Then I'm going to our roofs again, roofs by footprint, hit yes. Then change it to our slope glacis again. I will start from rectangle, start from here again. Then I need to move it. Like this. Then I can unpick for define slope here. Then let me think first. I can hit finish first. Then I can go to my edit type over there. I will adjustment my grill there for fixed distance, make it 400 like before, and adjustment for our grill one also for vertical. Sorry, here for horizontal. I will make it for none. Fixed distance. Yep, 400. It's apply. It's okay. Then I can go to my file there. Open back my previous tutorial is a family. Let me find first where is it. It is one concrete block component. So I will transfer from our concrete block component from wall to our top or ceiling is a design also, as you can see here. And I just remind you, if you want to know how to create this project, you can take a look on my description. I will put link there that I can load into in project and close. Again, go back to my 3D, then select all of them like this. Go to edit type. Take a look on our curtain panel system here. It's in construction element here. Then I can drop down here. Finding for concrete block component. This is the family we created before. Then I can apply. Then I can say okay. As you can see here, it's quite nice. And I can change it to realistic. Okay, so the reason our realistic we haven't show another material because I think I load wrong my family. I haven't create a material type yet, but you can take a look on my previous tutorial how to create material type on that, and here I will say sorry about that. Okay, so now here that how you can create two different type of your ceiling. So the last one I will create our custom ceiling with our extrusion and make it like organic shape, and of course I will placing some lighting also. Let's switch into for the next round together. Okay, so now we continue in our final part. Let's start to create together. First thing, I'm going to our top view again and go to our ceiling here. Then I can copy that, just copy straight away, copy it like this, hit escape a couple times. Then I'm going to select like this, then HI on my keyboard because I want to show only my ceiling one only, single ceiling only. Then what I'm going to do next, I'm going to change this one to consistent color first. I'm going to create our extrusion here. Go to architecture tab, go to component, then model in place, and choosing for ceiling for category. Then again it's okay. Once I done that, I need to set a work plan first. Go to set here, then pick here, pick a plan, pick on top of that like this. Then I can start extrusion. We'll start from bottom like this. And of course there I can free draw like this. Depend on what I want, I can free draw like this. just pre-draw it. As you can see here, I can simply free draw like this. Because it's a custom ceiling design, hit escape a couple of times, then I can check it out like this. Then I need to move. Once I done that, I need to create boundaries first. Go to our rectangle again, then I will start offset it for 100mm for thickness. Then I can start simply draw on top of my previous one like this, as you can see here. Offset for 100mm. Hit escape a couple of times. Then for extrusion, I will make it for 1 meter, I think. It's apply. Then change a material also. Change it for wood. I need to start from search bar there, tie it out for wood. And I will using for bird color. Is apply. Turn on for render appearing. Okay, so I can hit finish. Okay, as you can see here, we got some problem. We need to adjustment here. Then I can hit finish. Okay, let's turn around like this, as you can see here. Then now I want to make it more interest a bit. I will start from left side there. Go to our create tab, sorry. Then go to our void extrusion. Void extrusion over there. Then we just pick a plane first before we start. Pick a plane. I will pick here. Yep. Now I can start drawing. I will start simply draw it like this. Hit escape, then I can move it up. We just move it up. Okay. Now we can simply connect that. Make it boundary. TR for trim. Hit escape, then I can finish. Once I done that, I will start from our front side over there. Then select again. Then I can just make it like this. As you can see here. Now it's cutting. It's quite nice for our some kind of coffee shop design. And what I'm going to do next, I just hit finish first. It's time to place our lighting, but on Autodesk 2021 and 2022, Revit is allow us to create a visualization for our lighting. You don't need to go to render appearance. You just take a look on your visualize style option for graphic display option about that. So I'm going to show you now. This is the banners for our tutorial. Then I will start from create our wall first thing. Start from top again. Architecture tab, wall. Make it for 4 meter. And start for rectangle. Just start it like this. Okay, we need to change first. Hit escape. Let's say we can attend to top as or not. Okay, can. Okay, as you can see here. Now I will go back to my level 1 there. Then I will set camera like this. Start camera like this. Just straight away start here like this. And here I will adjustment. Okay, so go to our graphic display option. I will show ambient shadow. Then change our realistic here to manually. Okay, let me change one to realistic first. Then manually make it more darker. It's apply. And go to our lighting source, change to exterior sun only to our interior artificial only. Then I can apply. Okay, so now it's better a lot. It's time to place our lighting. I can okay first. Go to my 3D again. I will start from top here. Change our visualize style to wireframe. Then I can go to my file, open my lighting here, lighting ceiling. So now need to update thing because our family is a previous version. Then I need to load in. Go to 3D again. Sorry, this 3D. And now I can place it. I just simply place it out like this. So later on you will know the effect of your lighting. It's easier for you to visualize your ceiling light or your lighting on your project. How many lighting that you want to place. Then for me, don't mind that, I will just simply place it out. Okay, I think all of them wrong already because elevation is 4 meters. Let's see how we place first. Hit escape. Then our wall is overlapping also. Basically, I will move it out like this. Okay, just leave it like this first. Then I can start turn around here. As you can see here, our lighting is on top, so we need to move up. SA for select all. Then start from left side. I think it's correct position already. Let's change it to hidden line. Then go to our 3D viewpoint again. As you can see here, we haven't seen our lighting showing yet, but you can go to your graphic again, display option again. Sorry. Then I will change it to we open our realistic. Then I will make it for brightness. Let's apply. As you can see here, here is our lighting is showing up. As you can see here. But I think because we set our camera's option is a different, is a wrong direction, wrong direction. That's why we could not see it properly. I will make it more like this. Okay, to my already. That's how you can visualize style your lighting in your project. Okay, I think this one is enough. Let's turn to another level one. I will start from different direction. Let's start from here again. Okay, I think this time is better a lot. Then we change our graphic again. Take a look on slowly if you are missing out the first step. First thing, you need to go to your realistic and change our modify mode to our model display to realistic. Then you can manually just make it for brightness here. Then take a look on your lighting. Make sure you turn on, change from your semi to exterior sun only to your artificial only. Then I can apply. So far be generating, as you can see here, now better a lot. Then you can play around with that actually. Okay, as you can see here, it's quite nice and quite realistic. Okay, as you can see here. Okay, that's how you can create a 3 type of ceiling in Revit. Okay guys, I think it's pretty much for this tutorial, and I talked too long already. I see the tutorial about 20 minutes only already. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to hit subscribe button below if you are first time here, and click the bell icon to turn on notification. Thank you guys for watching, and I see you for another tutorial in Revit, and have a nice weekend. Thank you.